So at the Samsung store, real quick, and they have all the new stuff here. So let's take a quick look at some of it.
Now everybody scream enough respect to the X. Enough respect given.
Okay, so here we have the star of the show to most, the Z Flip 5. Now, picking it up, you can't help but notice how much bigger this screen is compared to the previous Flip, and even the file folder shape of the screen. It really makes it stand out in comparison to other foldables out there. We had seen this leaked before, but now seeing it in hand, seeing how nice it looks, how smooth it moves, it does give you the impression that you don't need to open this phone if you really don't want to. Of course, you're able to move your thumb all over the screen, which is what I like. I don't gotta do any special finger gymnastics to up to the top or bottom. It's all right there for me. And that's part of the draw to these these larger outer screens. Because sometimes to go into the device and do all of that can be a hassle when you don't want to, get into anything too in depth. Just having your use out here. Your camera is out here. I can swipe over. Yep, hi. And those are the good cameras. Those are the good cameras. Those are the front-facing and rear cameras of the device. And you can take it all right here. I probably just tap, and there you go. You took a picture. Quite nice. You have your options. You didn't mean to do all of that. You have your calendar, and I'm not how large it is. You can clearly see what appointments you might have, and here it says lunch appointment. That's just in there. You can clearly see everything that you might need to do. Rather nice and bright. And for the rest of the day, it's all there. And now you have your contacts. So you just go into the device. You have your keyboard out there. Press it, boom, make a quick call, and you're good to go. Your contacts are there, your alarms, stopwatch, timers, your steps, and if I remember correctly, you're able to add more widgets to the outer screen as you need. Making a very useful piece of as opposed to always having to go into the device to do anything. But when in the device, it's a little thinner than like my S22 or S23. I'm putting on my S22, so I can't actually show you a comparison right now, but it's not as thin as wide as S22, and it's a little thinner than the S22 as well. One thing I do know is just looking at it here, it doesn't actually unfold completely flat. There's a slight angle. I guess that's the hinge. So it's a better hinge, more rugged, more durable. I guess a slight sacrifice was it doesn't completely fold flat. Slight angle. Not that it's going to affect the use of the phone, but just to know it is there. I do feel my finger on the crease here. I didn't even mean to, but as I rub down, it's there. And that's the last thing I really remember getting before. Anything else? The phone looks great. Phone runs smooth. All of your apps. It's I won't say uniquely Samsung, but it's everyday Samsung. If you have used any Samsung device in recent years, this is going to seem very familiar to you. Until, of course, you close it up and you start to use the outer screen, and it's a whole other experience because it's a toned down experience from what you're used to. You really just go in, do what you need, and get out. A lot like the Duo. Once it's closed, it's done. Here, once it's closed, you're not done, but you are limited to what you can do, so that forces you to not do that much. You know, there's that extra effort required to go in and actually do more. So if you weren't in the mood, you just won't be in the mood. I do like the way they're showing you how you can adjust the outer screen to your life and move all the words and pictures around. It's actually pretty cool. Yeah, this is, you know, a very good update to the Z Flip 4. Okay, so here we have Z Flip 5 cases now. Clear. So whatever color you choose, you won't hide it from the outside world. That's one thing I like about clear cases. Because these other cases, you go through all the trouble of deciding what color to get just so you can hide it behind one. Here's a more rugged case with a belt. It does so much to protect the hinge and it just looks nice. Like almost like a jacket or clothing. Quite nice. Doesn't stand out that much, but it's nice. And of course the earth tones really get me. Here's the black version to it. And now the ones that have the ring, most people hold it in their middle finger like so. Open up the device and your device is locked in place for the most part. Not going anywhere. Flip it down and you're good. They also have it in yellow. My daughter would love this. Same thing. And now we have these. I only learned about these, I think, last night. These have a type of chip or magnet or some kind of method. When you put it on the back, it will actually change your front cover screen and your inner screen to match the color. So it's that reason that you could get multiple of these and have a quick system change, at least the look of it, by just swapping out the plate. Here's the blue one. I think here this is the purple one. Of course, that's one I would get. I love the way it reflects off of the light. If this was an actual Flip 5, you'll see what that actually looks like. Well, that's the cases for their new line. You know, a lot to think about if it's something you're going to get into. If you're going with a first-party case, they do have you covered. With that said, my name is NG, the Neon X, and checking out the Samsung store and all of the devices that they unveiled at Samsung Unpacked. This is what I'm into.